Hello all, I am Soumya Shankar from the Department of Psychology and I am handling the paper called Advanced Social Psychology, and today we will see about the studies on conformity. Okay, so first, what is a conformity? Conformity is like a social influence by which people change their attitude, their belief or their decision just because they want to fit into a group, or they want to belong to a group, or they want to be accepted by another people, so they do the conformity stuff. So that's like a conformity effect on people. Okay, so in that it's more like in general, if you see, it's like that's how our social norms and all our social rules form. Okay, so if there are 100 people and all together say that this is right and this is wrong, so what people could think, yes, many of them are telling that this is right, so probably this is what we have to do. So that becomes like a conformity. So they just go along with the group and say like this is right, this is wrong, and they behave in such a way. So that has created the so-called social norms. Okay, that's how it has been formed or framed, and that's why we behave in all these years, like generation by generation. Like there is a group of people who say that, so we think that's what it's all about. Okay, so that's it's like conformity is like a basis for the framing or development of social norms. Okay, so conformity, there are so many studies based on conformity, but there are three major studies which we could see in conformity. Like we have seen that comes again and again in our social psychology. Is one is of Sheriff. Okay, he have done a study based on autokinetic effect, based on which he have said like even in that conformity plays a major role. Okay, so that's one study. And the second important study which we have seen so many times is Milgram's study on obedience. Okay, how they respond to authorities and how they conform to it. So the third important study which we are going to see today is like the Solomon Asch conformity experiment. Okay, so that's all about conformity. That's like the classical study on conformity. Okay, so yes, so if you could see this slide, you could clearly understand like the Solomon Asch conformity study is all about, it's the best known illustration on conformity. Okay, this was the like a classical study, the contemporary one, which actually started the study on conformity and started giving like why people conform, or in what are the conditions people conform. Okay, so in that this study, like Solomon Asch started these studies in 1951, and it's like a series of social experiments conducted in which like Solomon Asch have collected like 50 males. Okay, in USA he have got 50 males as participants, and then he just called them telling that we are going to do a perceptual task. Perceptual task is nothing but it's just a general task, like you have to see something and respond to it. Okay, so that's what he initially told to people. Okay, so he didn't say actually that it's about social influence or how a person is influenced by others, what is about conformity and all. He just said simply that this is all about perceptual task. You will be given a task and you have to respond to that accordingly. That's what he said initially. So after he got the 50 males, in that like 43 were like innocent participants. They were like actual participants, but 7 of them are like confederates. Confederates, it's nothing but it's those people are who act, who were it's like staged actors. Okay, they were like they give answers only based on what they have been already told by Solomon Asch. If he says this is the right answer, they will say this is the right answer. If they will not give a correct answer, but instead of that what they will do is they say things what Solomon Asch have already said them. So all the participants were actually made to believe that all 50 of them are naive participants. No one know before the experiment that there are 7 black sheep into the inside their group. Okay, so they just went for the experiment in which every participant would enter a room. Okay, so in that a collection of like 7 or 8 members, like it's like divided into groups, and they'll enter a room. In that room, like few will be confederates and few will be naive participants. For example, in a group, like per se, like I'm calling a first batch. In that, like I'm calling 8 members, so in that there are like 4 confederates and 3 naive participants. So what happens, like the confederates will give a wrong answer and the naive participant will give a right answer. But what Solomon Asch want to study is that what kind of influence these confederates has on people, like the group pressure. Okay, yes. In that, I think you could see the picture clearly. In this picture it is depicted perfectly. Like this is what Solomon Asch experiment is all about. Based on the lines, the first line I is like the target line, with which people would compare these. It's like two types of cards is given. In that one side the target line is given, other side these three are given, and they has to compare it. So mostly what people have done, like in 18 trials, total trials, 12 critical trials, like 12 important trials, confidence give a wrong answer. So Solomon Asch want to see, because of that 12 trials, what kind of influence people have on it. So in that people have yes, in the findings you could see like 75% of people are almost confirming in average, like everyone is getting that effect, and they are confirming to the wrong answer. They give wrong answer just because others give it, okay. So in that people do that because they actually believe, probably some people believe that that could be the right answer, we are on the wrong side. And on the other side people think that probably we should say that we don't want to be different from them. Yes, finally people confirm to it based on two things: normative influence, because they want to fit into the group in which they are, and the second one is information influence. They think like the group majority of people is telling something, so they have a better information than us. Okay, this is all about the Solomon Asch experiment on conformity. It's a classical study. Thank you.